Previously on First Travel and Eats.
The outside of Sophie's Cuban, and there is the lovely Ms. Lisa on her phone.
Got their baked chicken with moro rice. Apparently moro rice means rice and beans. And for the sides, instead of more rice, I went.
Our travelers had a great time eating at Sophie's Cuban cuisine. Now our travelers are at a familiar sight. Will the timeout market continue to wow our travelers? Stay tuned in to find out.
So, we are at Timeout Market again. We, as
Actually,
in...
not we, just him.
Alright, just
My
me.
first time.
Yes, first time for Lisa, second time for me. There's a lot of good food here.
Good, it's the same as last time.
Now we're gonna eat something different, Lisa.
I didn't eat what you got last time.
Well, okay, I'm gonna eat something different. Let's see what we're gonna eat today. No, next one over.
Pastrimi Factory?
No, Jacob's Pickles. This whole, yeah, like this section is a restaurant. That section is a restaurant. You just look at what you want to eat now. Eat what you want to eat. Yeah, so let's go back. Alright, I already bought the stuff for the food or whatever, but I'll tell you what we got. I went to the Pastrimi Factory and I got the hot pastrami sandwich. There's a menu and then there's like food in front of it. Lisa liked the sandwich that I ate so much last time, so she's gonna get this sandwich and try it out as well. And here's the menu if you didn't look at the last video. Right now I'm waiting for the food. Alright, hello there. It is Andy and Lisa again. We got our food.
Yes, I'm gonna start eating this.
We got the hot Nashville chicken from Jacob's Pickles and then the waffle fries. I got the hot pastrami sandwich. Look at all that pastrami. And we got a pickle and the sauce. But look at Lisa's thing. It's so shiny, but that's because she has a light.
This is literally the meal that he ate last time without me, so I'm just eating what he ate without me.
No, but I got the whatchamacallit, the cheesier one. Yeah, pepper jack. Every pastrami sandwich needs that yellow sauce. I don't know what the yellow sauce is called.
The mustard?
Is it mustard?
Yes? Oh my goodness. Uncultured.
Yellow sauce.
I don't know. I thought the yellow sauce was like something else.
Brown deli mustard.
It's all mustard up. All right, Lisa, how's the waffle fries?
It's good. You good?
I like it. But maybe it's a little stringy. It's only been about 10 minutes.
Finished my ramen. Like 10-15 minutes.
That was too much meat.
Too much meat? I like it.
In my bite, it was just full of meat. I had no food.
I did spend too much time like waiting for Lisa's meal. A lot of people were on the Jacob's Pickles line, so my pastrami cooled down, so it's not as hot. I still think it's decent though. I like the sandwich. Maybe a bit pricey.
There's a cat with nothing.
You might not have heard, but my friend said Cat's Deli is much more expensive, and I agree. This one is like $21. Cat's is like way more expensive now. Pickle.
Can I have a bite?
It's a pickle. What do you expect?
It's a good pickle.
I should have just gone back here. I should have just gone back and get more Jacob's pickle. I want to try something new. Not only is it cheaper, it's whatchamacallit, and better. The portion is still smaller.
Beef, chicken, turkey.
Fine. Oh.
You still have one more chicken breast. In the morning, that's the one I always eat. But then last time you said just sausage gravy. It's like a very southern style.
I still like it, despite it being more expensive, a little shorter, but I think it's still decent.
You want a biscuit?
Nice. If you can't finish, then get out. So I'll give a review for like the Pastrimi Factory, Pastrimi Queen, Pastrimi Factory. Maybe it's because I ate it cold. Maybe I'll give it a 7.5. Maybe it'll be higher if if I ate it hot. But I would think I'll give it a 7.5, maybe a 7. It's decent, but it might be a bit pricey. But better than Cats.
You throw into a steam oven.
How are you liking it so far, Lisa?
I like my waffle fries the most, but the chicken is not that spicy. What about? They should just use the waffle fry as the bread and put fried chicken in between.
It's like all the chicken bones that they melted in beef tendon. Still don't understand how we both finished that. I mean, we were both very hungry from like the we didn't eat lunch.
Waffle fries are nice and crispy. Are you able to finish, Lisa?
I question myself. I already gave Andy half.
I didn't eat like her whole meal, but the part that I eat, I would still give it a 9.1. Are you ready to give your review, Lisa? What would you give it?
I give it a 9. I felt like the natural hot sauce was spicy, but not the spicy I expected. But now that I'm eating more of it, the biscuit on the bottom has soaked up the oil and the spice. It's a lot more spicier than the top piece.
Yeah, it was quite spicy when I was eating hers. The BBQ jack that I ordered before wasn't as spicy, but it was a lot more cheesy, which I liked. All right, you'll see us next time on First Travel and Eat. We're gonna finish our meal now. Any last words, Lisa?
No? Until next time, ice cream, ice cream.
She wants ice cream. Maybe she'll get it. Maybe. Hello, we are at the park outside the timeout market. Lisa's busy texting. as you see right here. And then, if you turn around, we see a beautiful view of the Manhattan Bridge. Would you look at that view? And then there's the carousel, and then the park behind us. And then Time Out Market is right there. Very beautiful.
Literally, I like how they built that with all these loops, like their design. So when you step inside and you look out, you see like the perfect view.
Yes, I caught that view before.
This is the Brooklyn Bridge.
Yes, this is the Brooklyn Bridge. We're walking right under it. The famous Brooklyn Bridge. Hello, Lisa.
Yes.
Next time on First Travel and Eats, our travelers return to Japan Village for some great food.
To Hachi, and we're gonna get the Poki no Miyaki, and we're gonna get the yakisoba. Here is the menu. Alright, here is our food. We got the, well, we told you what we got. I don't know which one. Oh, this is the Okonomi.
Will Japan Village continue to wow them with amazing food? Tune in next week to find out. Also leave a comment on whether you prefer pastrami or fried chicken. And remember to like and subscribe.